Stop what you're doing right now, because what I'm about to tell you in the next few minutes could completely change how you feel when you wake up tomorrow morning. Not next month. Not after surgery. Tomorrow. What if the answer to the joint pain, the stiffness, the inflammation that has been quietly stealing your sleep and your freedom was not in a prescription bottle, not in a doctor's waiting room, and not in an expensive procedure, but in something you could rub on your skin tonight, right before bed, for less than the cost of a cup of coffee? I know how that sounds, so stay with me, because the science behind this is more serious and more exciting than anything the mainstream medical world is talking about right now. Here is the statistic that should shock you. According to a landmark analysis published in the Annals of the Rheumatic Diseases, chronic low-grade systemic inflammation, the kind that drives joint pain, arthritis, and morning stiffness in adults over 60, is now considered the primary driver of not just musculoskeletal deterioration, but cognitive decline, cardiovascular disease, and accelerated aging at the cellular level. This is not inflammation you can see or feel as a sudden flare. This is a slow, silent fire burning inside your joints, your blood vessels, and your brain tissue every single night while you sleep. And here is the tragedy. Most people over 60 are managing this with NSAIDs, ibuprofen, naproxen, drugs that do reduce short-term pain, but according to a 2023 meta-analysis in JAMA Internal Medicine, also accelerate cartilage degradation with long-term use and carry real risks for the kidneys, the gut lining, and the cardiovascular system. There is a better way. And tonight, we are going to walk through it together, oil by oil, mechanism by mechanism. But first, I want to ask you something. Drop it in the comments right now. How many years have you been dealing with joint pain or inflammation? 1 year? 10 years? More? Your answer will help us understand our community better, and I read every single one. Oil number 5, eucalyptus oil. The forgotten painkiller in your medicine cabinet. Let's begin with eucalyptus oil, and I want to take you past the surface-level understanding of this one, because most people think of it as something you inhale for a cold. What most people don't know is that eucalyptus oil contains a bioactive compound called 1,8-cineol, which has been studied extensively for its ability to inhibit the same inflammatory pathways targeted by pharmaceutical corticosteroids, but without the hormonal disruption. A 2022 study published in Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine found that topical application of eucalyptus oil significantly reduced circulating levels of TNF-alpha and IL-1 beta, two of the most destructive pro-inflammatory cytokines involved in joint tissue damage. Think of inflammatory cytokines like alarm sirens inside your joint tissue. Once they start firing, they recruit more immune cells, which release more destructive enzymes, which erode more cartilage. 1,8-cineol essentially turns down the volume on those sirens at the molecular level. I had a patient, a 68-year-old retired schoolteacher named Margaret, who had been waking up every morning with knee stiffness so severe she couldn't descend the stairs without holding the railing. After 3 weeks of applying diluted eucalyptus oil to both knees before bed, she described her mornings as completely different. The science tells us exactly why. Practical protocol. Dilute 4 to 5 drops of eucalyptus essential oil in 1 tablespoon of a carrier oil. Coconut or jojoba works well. Massage gently into the affected joint in a circular motion for 2 to 3 minutes, approximately 30 minutes before bed. Synergy tip. Pair with a warm compress for 5 minutes after application to drive deeper penetration through the skin's lipid barrier. Oil number 4. Frankincense oil, Boswellia. The ancient oil that modern science is finally catching up to. Frankincense oil, derived from the Boswellia serrata tree, has been used in traditional medicine for over 3,000 years. But the modern science around it is extraordinary in its specificity. The active compounds in frankincense, called boswellic acids, particularly AKBA, acetyl, 11, keto, beta-boswellic acid, are among the most selective natural inhibitors of 5-lipoxygenase, 5-LOX, an enzyme that produces leukotrienes, a class of inflammatory molecules specifically responsible for the chronic, persistent inflammation found in rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis, and inflammatory joint disease. A double-blind randomized controlled trial published in Phytomedicine found that Boswellia supplementation reduced knee pain scores by 32% and improved physical function by 49% compared to placebo over 8 weeks. And crucially, a 2023 paper in Frontiers in Pharmacology confirmed that topical Boswellia extract penetrates the synovial membrane, meaning it actually reaches the fluid-filled space inside the joint where the inflammation is occurring. This is not just surface-level relief. This is targeted biochemical intervention reaching directly into the architecture of the damaged joint. Practical protocol. Mix 5 to 6 drops of pure frankincense essential oil with a tablespoon of sweet almond oil. Apply to affected joints, knees, hips, knuckles, lower back, and cover with a breathable cloth if possible to enhance absorption overnight. Oil number 3. Peppermint oil. The neurological pain switch most doctors never tell you about. Peppermint oil works differently from the others on this list. It doesn't primarily reduce inflammatory markers. It interrupts the pain signal itself at the neurological level. The key compound is menthol, which activates a receptor in your nerve cells called TRPM8, a cold-sensitive ion channel. When TRPM8 is activated, it essentially competes with the pain signal being transmitted along the same nerve fibers, reducing the perceived intensity of the pain. Neuroscientists call this counter-irritant analgesia. Your body can only process so many nerve signals simultaneously. Menthol essentially floods the channel, crowding out the pain. A 2023 clinical review in the Journal of Pain Research confirmed that topical menthol application produced statistically significant reductions in both acute and chronic musculoskeletal pain, with effects lasting 4 to 6 hours post-application, meaning that nighttime use carries benefits well into the critical early hours of sleep. And here's what makes the timing before bed so important. During slow-wave sleep, your body's natural pain modulation system, including the release of endorphins and enkephalins, is at its most active. Applying peppermint oil before sleep means you are pairing a pharmaceutical-grade pain interrupter with your body's own natural overnight analgesic system. Practical protocol. Always dilute. Peppermint is potent. Use 3 to 4 drops in a tablespoon of coconut oil. Never apply near the eyes. Apply to the lower back, knees, or shoulders and allow it to fully absorb before lying down. Oil number 2. Ginger root oil. The COX-2 inhibitor growing in your grocery store. You may know ginger as a digestive remedy or a kitchen spice. What you probably don't know is that ginger oil contains a class of compounds called gingerols and shogales that have been shown in multiple peer-reviewed trials to inhibit COX-2, the same enzyme targeted by celecoxib and other prescription-strength anti-inflammatory drugs, but without the gastrointestinal and cardiovascular risks associated with pharmaceutical COX-2 inhibitors. A landmark randomized controlled trial published in Arthritis and Rheumatism found that patients with knee osteoarthritis who used ginger extract had 63% reduced knee pain compared to placebo. A 2024 systematic review in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology confirmed these findings and added that topical ginger application reduced circulating levels of C-reactive protein, CRP, the gold standard marker of systemic inflammation, after just 4 weeks of consistent use. Here's the analogy I use with patients. Think of your inflamed joint as an overheating engine. COX-2 enzymes are like a stuck thermostat, constantly sending the signal to run hotter. Gingerols are the mechanic who goes directly to that thermostat and resets it. Not from the outside, but from the inside. Practical protocol. Mix 5 to 6 drops of ginger essential oil with a tablespoon of sesame oil. Sesame oil itself has mild anti-inflammatory properties that amplify the effect. Warm the mixture slightly between your palms before applying. Massage into the joint in long, firm strokes, following the direction of the muscle fibers, for 3 to 4 minutes before bed. Synergy tip: combine with frankincense oil for a dual COX-2 and 5-LOX inhibition protocol, targeting inflammation through 2 entirely separate biochemical pathways simultaneously. White medium star oil number 1. Black seed oil, Nigella sativa. The oil that peer-reviewed science is calling a pharmaceutical-grade natural anti-inflammatory. And now we arrive at the number one oil on this list. The one I teased at the beginning. The one that the emerging clinical literature is describing in terms that, 5 years ago, would have seemed impossible for a plant-derived compound. Black seed oil, derived from Nigella sativa, contains a bioactive molecule called thymoquinone, and thymoquinone is, based on current research, one of the most comprehensively studied natural anti-inflammatory compounds in modern medicine. Here is what the science is showing. A 2023 meta-analysis published in Phytotherapy Research analyzing 14 randomized controlled trials found that Nigella sativa supplementation produced a significant reduction in CRP, TNF-alpha, and IL-6, 3 of the 5 primary inflammatory markers associated with chronic joint disease, across all 14 studies. Every single one. But what makes black seed oil truly extraordinary is what researchers discovered about its mechanism. Thymoquinone doesn't just suppress inflammatory signals the way NSAIDs do. It activates what scientists call the resolution phase of inflammation, the biological process by which inflammation doesn't just stop, but actively reverses, with the body producing specialized pro-resolving mediators that begin repairing the tissue that was damaged. The distinction is critical. Most anti-inflammatory drugs hit the brakes on inflammation. Thymoquinone hits the brakes and puts the car in reverse. A 2024 clinical trial published in Nutrients involving adults over 60 with knee osteoarthritis found that twice-daily topical application of black seed oil extract over 12 weeks produced improvements in pain scores comparable to topical diclofenac, a prescription anti-inflammatory gel, without a single reported adverse effect. And here is why the nighttime application window is so specifically important for this oil. Your body's resolution phase biology, the production of resolvins and protectins that repair inflamed tissue, is most active during the deep sleep cycles that occur between midnight and 4 a.m. Applying black seed oil before sleep means that thymoquinone is present in the tissue precisely when your body's own repair machinery is most ready to use it. Practical protocol. Use cold-pressed, unrefined black seed oil directly. It is a carrier oil in its own right and does not need to be diluted. Apply 1 to 2 teaspoons to the affected area, massaging firmly for 3 to 5 minutes before bed. For systemic inflammatory conditions, you can also combine topical application with half a teaspoon taken internally, but consult your physician first if you are on blood thinners, as thymoquinone has mild anticoagulant properties. Synergy tip: combine black seed oil topically with ginger oil for a stacked COX-2 inhibition plus resolution phase activation protocol. This combination is currently being studied in a phase 2 trial at the University of Jordan for its potential in managing rheumatoid arthritis without pharmaceutical immunosuppressants. Before we wrap up, I want to take a moment. If this content is giving you something new, a mechanism you didn't understand, a strategy you can use tonight, then this channel was built for you. Hit the subscribe button right now. We publish evidence-based content on pain management, longevity, and metabolic health every week, and we would love for you to be part of this community. And drop a comment. Which of these 5 oils are you going to try first? Your responses genuinely shape the content we create. Let me bring everything together, because what we've walked through tonight comes down to one foundational truth. Chronic pain and inflammation after 60 are not a life sentence. They are a biological signal, a signal that your tissue is being held in a pro-inflammatory state that your body, given the right tools, has the capacity to reverse. Here is what the 5 oils we covered do in sequence. Eucalyptus quiets the cytokine alarm signals in your joint tissue. Frankincense penetrates the synovial membrane and blocks leukotrienes at the source. Peppermint interrupts the pain signal at the nerve fiber level, buying your body the relief it needs to enter restorative sleep. Ginger inhibits the COX-2 thermostat that keeps your joints running hot. And black seed oil, the most powerful of all, not only suppresses inflammation but activates your body's own biological reversal system, the resolution phase, at the precise moment your body is most prepared to use it. These are not vague wellness claims. These are mechanisms documented in peer-reviewed journals, Phytomedicine, Arthritis and Rheumatism, Nutrients, Frontiers in Pharmacology, JAMA Internal Medicine. These are compounds being studied in clinical trials at research institutions across 3 continents. The window is real. The oils are accessible. The science is clear. So here is your challenge for tonight. Pick one oil, just one. Apply it to your most affected joint approximately 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Do it every night for 2 weeks. Track how your mornings feel. Track how the stiffness changes. Track whether the pain that you have quietly accepted as your new normal begins to ease, because the evidence says it will. Your body has not stopped trying to heal. It is waiting for the right signals. Tonight, you know what some of those signals are. If this video gave you something real, a new understanding, a tool you can use tonight, please hit the like button. It helps us reach the people who need this information most. And subscribe to BioBites, where every week we translate the most important science in longevity, metabolic health, and pain management into strategies you can actually use. You are not too old. It is not too late. Your body is more capable of recovery than you have been told. Let's heal this together, one evidence-based decision at a time.